Hi guys, this is Joyce, and I tried to do this video and I think my card was full, so I've deleted everything off and I am going to try this video again. I am in the process of decluttering my life. So this room which is my craft room, is the only room that I have not done anything to recently, and since the last time that I redid the room, it has become a hot mess and I just can't stand it. So as you can see up on that top part there, I have a collection of things, mostly dress forms. I am going to be getting rid of those, at least several of them, because I just don't need all of that. I use them for display, but to be honest, I get no joy from them. I never look at them, so it is that time to go. That is my cube section there. That's pretty much going to stay the same, but I will be cleaning out some of the drawers and getting rid of lots of stuff that's in them. On the bottom, I have all my paper. I have basically downsized that already to where I want to be. In that corner, I have some 12 by 12 boxes with projects that need to be done. And I have a storage bin that I will be keeping because they're good for travel. And over there on the side, there's all kinds of stuff down there. I have a bookcase that you can see there that needs to be organized, and there are things there that can be redone. My desk, my second desk. This is the desk that I actually create on. So I will be cleaning it, decluttering it, and the whole 9 yards. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick overview. As you can see, that's my display wall there. That will stay the same. That desk will also be cleaned off and from under because there is crap everywhere. And I love this room. I love my crafting and I love stuff, but it has gotten out of hand. As you can see on this purple table here, I've got stuff all over my typewriter. There's my Cricut, and my printer is on the bottom shelf. My pile, I am doing shredding today, so that will be taken care of shortly. And then there's my purple paper shredder there, which the things on top of there will be leaving because I don't use them. So I will be definitely doing a giveaway. I will be getting rid of the lingerie dresser, which I'm going to move to a separate room. The 3-drawer container here will be going. This will be more centered because I use that for cutting dies and different things. The cube boxes here, everything is going to be changed. Those Cricut cartridges will be taken out of there, and I will definitely be going through everything. So, and I have already downsized on my punches. As you can see, I was able to bring out my crocodile corner chompers, or whatever you call them, and all of my other things. So that made it easier because they were in a drawer in the closet, and you know, a lot of times I would forget about them. So now I have more things in this shoe rack that I can use, that I will use. And then I have all of my lanyards from my races, my medals from races that I've done, which I love to look at. And then I have my lanyards from scrapbook expos, which I love to look at. I've collected a lot of the buttons and stuff, and I just like seeing them. That bag is hanging there to remind me that I will be using that when I go to expo. And then my bulletin board with pictures of family, grandbabies, cousins, and I'm gonna organize that better. There are some things here that will be changing because it has gotten junky. But anyway, this is the before of my room. I'm not going to show you that closet because it's scary. But this is my before. Yes, my room is purple, and I have a sheer purple curtain. And I didn't really show you. I'm going to be putting the TV on the wall, and that's another reason I have to get all this stuff out so the guy can come in and actually get to the wall where I want it. And that is just my display case and my display frame, and it just holds things that I've made and cards that people have made for me, and I just don't want to get rid of them. So you can see this from the other side. That box lamp, I'm looking for some different lamps to be able to not take up so much of my space. So I really would like to find something that clamps to the desk. But anyway, working on some projects. But yeah, so guys, that is it. And I'll just take you around from that side. And I will be back hopefully soon with the after.